Support local business. Asikuphiki lokho. Now utawudeliver nje kuphela. Not like I was so disappointed. After trying to support the local business ke bafana basekhaya labahula tshani ke. Awu. Ngathi nibofika bathi khululeka uncle. We will definitely be there. Kwaze kwafika langa lemcimbi dolo lo. Angibange ngisupportise Maseko ngavele ngayotithengela one brand new from the box Lega Huscarval. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right. Okay, ngafika bathi kukhona la domestic kukhona la industrial ngathi hey ngicela lo lodulile. But okay, kuna nangwa 7, something thousand ngathi yebo letha la. Okay, petrol walana uhlanganiswa nakula bathi 2-stroke lokho uyakubona mhlazana uthenga lo mshina lo. And then the next step is to make sure ukuthi you fill up the tank. Now uqedza lapho ufase amabhande. In fact kufuneka a full gear when you're about to do this work. To me igear yan yewena lokho sekukhona kuphelele lokho. And then from there asesiudumise sibone washa yile yabona sizathu lesikhulu sekula lo tshani ngiloko ukuthi kufuna ngifake dingukhu lapha akufuni ngedingukhu tihletheva umsini bayadi ke labafuye bona mntutu ukuthi baphathwa stress zibekwa nje bhande and then ushaya brush cut yakho lonke lelibala phela bangaze bafike basejozi kunje yebo ubona kahle lo lokubona lapha it's called bitter leaf ay ngeke noma ngathi niyasipani kwedini. Now the final touch up bese sokubuya lahaliki angathi noma kubitwa ngelahaliki yini lokho. There you go likhaya bese seliba nithi ngale ndlela le uma utiwulele tshani kepha phela wena na ungicashile ngeke ngikuhalikele ha ngashuphuka letandla but I can that will mean extra money. Done and dusted asasivi kwedini ukuthi thini sishayile yabona shosho vetemav